Hello Crafties, happy July. I hope you guys have had a wonderful month of crafting or relaxation or whatever it is that you guys like to do. I know that I enjoyed my hiatus. It was a much needed break that I took. I got tons and tons done. I got a lot of rest. So, I'm all prepared to go about this next half a year and really go all out. I have oodles of content for you guys, and I hope you all will enjoy it. So, that being said, there are a lot of different projects that I have been working on, a lot of art projects. I've been working on updating the website, and as of a few days ago, I had to, or rather, I chose to go about making some changes as far as my pattern uploads go and things like that. So any of you all that knit, crochet, you've heard of Ravelry, and everybody's talking about it right now. I'm gonna make my piece about it and let it go so you guys know what's going on going forward. So I formally withdrew from the platform, and for those of you that know about it, it's not look. So it imposes on, they're probably like, okay, I'm jumbled up. So first of all, as a private company, they have every right to create whatever policy they want, choose who they do and do not want to associate with, endorse, whatever. Where my issue comes in is that, okay, first of all, that's a First Amendment right. Why are you imposing on people's First Amendment right? No matter whose opinion is trash, in your opinion, you are a business. You don't mix your personal bias in with your business. But that's just me. So, I feel that by doing that, you're alienating a crowd and excluding a segment of your community. Now, they say they don't outwardly endorse either side, either party, but I find that to be kind of a load of bullcrap when, you're just banning one side and you're not telling people, okay, hey, no politics, no, outward blah 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 commentary on whatever you support. Why are politics even in the crafting community? But I will say this, crafting is an art, and throughout history, art has been used to, state political opinions, religious standpoints, and things of that nature, so I also understand that side. But when you go about alienating, people and making them feel unwelcome, that's where I have a problem. So, that's not what I want to support. That's not what I want my business to represent. I openly state in my biographies, I want to host a community where art is seen through is seen as therapy. So, you bring in your bias and your standpoints in where craft, creativity, and the like are meant to flourish. That's not going to work for me. That doesn't work. A lot of people, they come to craft, most people, when it comes to crafts, not just art, but just crafts in general, they do it to relax. It is their happy place away from the mumble jumble, the depression in the news, and all around them. Don't come bringing your negativity into their area of peace. You don't do that. And it really sucks because they are pretty much the best site that hosts patterns. You can post your patterns. There's forums. There, marketplace. You keep track of your stash and how many projects and all that stuff. And it's a great website. Don't get me wrong, but I can't deal with how they've chosen to go about their policy remake, and the wording of it. It sounds really snippy and gross and mean, and you know, I don't know. That's just my thing. Can't do it. So what I've done, rant over, if you want to know more about that, go ahead if you have an account and read their policy, whatever. But I've already deleted my account. I have changed, that I know of at this moment, I have changed all my links back over to my Etsy shop. So if any of you guys have been around for a while now, you'll know that I started off on Etsy. So I went ahead and started posting my listings for my patterns over on Etsy. Now, unfortunately, I can't post those patterns completely free. I do have them ranging under $5, like between 50 cents and under $5. So they're still affordable, etc. I'm also working on putting free patterns up in my Google Drive for Infiniti Crafting Co. and seeing how that works out. I have a pattern coming out Sunday, so we're going to test that and see where it goes. Let me know if you guys like how that works for you. Just talk to me, let me know, so I can work on making the best improvements for you all. But yeah, so like I really hate that I'm having to go through all this rigmarole and readjust everything and kind of recoup. I've also been working on uploading all my things to my website, because eventually I do want to just consolidate everything. So this actually works out for the better. As you guys know, I manage and do all my social media stuff, my filming, all on my own. I don't have any help with it. So, by consolidating everything, that makes it easier for me to manage it all and just do quality control and things of that nature. So, it's okay. So, but, that reminds me. So, a lot of my videos and content that I have recorded up until the 23rd of June, it says that I have a Ravelry page, but that's not the case. And where I could go in and make the little annotations that I don't have Ravelry anymore, I've done that. It's a lot of content that I have, and it would just be insane to go back through all of that and try to readjust and re-record and do all that. So bear that in mind. So if you don't see the Ravelry link, that's why. That's, yeah, that's my little bit. So aside from that, everything's great. I'm excited to be releasing these tutorials, these future tutorials, patterns, and potentially projects. That brings me to another idea. So, as the time has gone by, I've been thinking about moving into more project-based videos in maybe starting at the tail end of December, moving into 2020. I don't know, it's still early right now, but let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I look forward to uploading lots of art for you guys and lots of stitch tutorials. Oh my gosh, I've done a lot. So, until next time, guys, happy making.